Ready to start your English journey?
Ma!
Join us today at Global English for You.
Hey guys, Mark here. And today, we're going to fix the #1 mistake that makes English learners sound unnatural when asking about time. I'm talking about questions like, how much time makes, what time takes, Alice, tell them the truth.
Oh, Mark, I hear this every single day. Even advanced students mess this up. And you know why? Because they're translating directly from their native language. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole.
Exactly. So today, we're going to rewire your brain. By the end of this video, you'll sound like a native speaker when asking about time. Let's go.
Okay, Mark, story time. What happened at the gym?
Oh man, so embarrassing. I wanted to ask my friend about his gym routine, right? So I said, hey bro, how much time makes that you don't go to the gym? He just stared at me like I had 3 heads. Was I rude? Did I offend him?
No, Mark, you weren't rude. You were just grammatically impossible. Listen carefully, everyone. In English, time doesn't make anything. Time doesn't have anything. Your friend was confused because that sentence structure simply doesn't exist in English.
But Alice, it makes total sense in my head. In many languages, you can say it that way.
I know, Mark, but here's the thing. English has its own logic. When you translate word for word, you create sentences that native speakers have never heard before. It's like ordering something that's not on the menu.
Okay. So how do I ask about the gap? You know, the time between now and the last time something happened.
All right, forget everything you know. When we talk about a gap in time from the past until now, we use this structure. How long has it been since? Write this down. How long has it been since? And here's the secret that will blow your mind. In many languages, you ask about what you didn't do. But in English, we ask about the last action, not the negative, the last time you did it.
Wait. So instead of asking about the time I didn't do something, I ask about the last time I did it. That's actually genius.
Exactly. Let me give you the formula. How long has it been since you last plus past tense verb? Don't say since you don't go, say since you last went.
Oh, so for the gym, I should say, how long has it been since you last went to the gym? Is that right?
Perfect. Now let me give you more examples because this pattern is everywhere in English. How long has it been since you last saw your parents? How long has it been since we last talked? How long has it been since you last traveled abroad? See the pattern? Always, how long has it been since plus subject plus last plus past verb.
And how do people answer this?
Great question. The answer mirrors the question. You say, it's been 2 weeks. It's been 3 months. It's been forever. Notice, it has been becomes it's been. Short, simple, natural.
Okay, Alice, I have a confession. Before I learned this, I tried other things that seemed correct, like, how many time has it been?
Stop! Okay, everyone, welcome to the trap zone. These are expressions that seem logical, but are completely wrong in English. Let's break down the traps. Trap number 1, how many time? Time is uncountable in this context. You can't say 1 time, 2 times when talking about duration. It's always how long or how much time. But we'll get to that.
What about what time takes to do something? I've said that before.
Trap number 2, what time takes doesn't exist. Time doesn't take anything in English. We take time, activities take time, but time itself? Nope.
Okay, last one. What about since when you don't go to the gym? That sounds okay, right?
Trap number 3. Since when is asking about a specific point in time, like since when do you live here? Since 2020. But for a duration, you need how long has it been since? Plus, remember, we focus on the last action, not the negative.
All right, Alice, I think I got the gap down. But what about asking how long something takes? Like cooking dinner. I used to say, how much time takes to cook this?
Stop right there. Let me introduce you to the magic word, it. In English, the situation takes the time. Not you, not me, but the abstract it. The structure is, how long does it take to? Let me say it again slowly. How long does it take to cook this?
So I can't say how much time takes?
Nope. You can say how much time does it take, but native speakers almost always use how long instead. It's shorter, cleaner, more natural. Listen to these examples. How long does it take to get to the airport? How long does it take to learn English? How long does it take to charge your phone? See? Always, how long does it take to...
What about changing the tense, like past tense?
Great question. The structure stays the same, just change the verb. How long did it take to finish the project? How long will it take to get there? How long would it take to fix this? The skeleton is always how long plus auxiliary plus it plus take plus to.
Okay, guys, pause time. Alice is going to give you 3 situations. Think about the correct question before she gives the answer. This is your moment to practice. Ready, Alice?
Let's do this. Situation 1. You haven't called your best friend in a while. You want to know about the gap. What do you ask? Think about it. The answer is, how long has it been since we last talked? Did you get it?
Situation 2. You're at a restaurant. You want to know the duration for preparing the pasta. What do you ask? Think. The answer is, how long does it take to make the pasta? Got it?
Final situation. Your colleague hasn't been to the office in months. You want to know about the gap since his last visit. What do you ask? Last chance. The answer is, how long has it been since you last came to the office? If you got all 3, you're crushing it.
Alice, what about using these in different contexts, like formal situations at work?
Excellent question. The structure stays the same, but you can make it more formal or casual. Formal. How long has it been since we last reviewed the quarterly reports? Casual. How long's it been since we checked those reports? See? Same skeleton, different style.
What about when talking about objects? Like, how long does this battery last?
Oh, good one. That's a variation. For duration of something's existence or function, we can use how long does X last? How long is the movie? How long was the flight? Notice, no take needed when asking about length or duration of something that already exists.
All right, everyone, let's recap before we go. There are 2 main situations. Number 1, the gap, time between the past and now. Formula, how long has it been since you last, past verb. Example, how long has it been since you last traveled?
Number 2, the duration, how long a process or activity takes. Formula, how long does it take to plus base verb. Example, how long does it take to learn to drive?
And remember the traps. Know how much time makes, know what time takes, Know how many time and never focus on the negative. Always ask about the last action.
The secret is simple. Stop translating word for word. Think in English structures. If it's a gap, use how long has it been since. If it's a process, use how long does it take to.
Guys, if this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. We're building a family of English learners here, and we want you in it. And hey, let's practice in the comments. Answer this question. How long has it been since you last studied English grammar? Write your answer down below.
And don't forget, English is not about memorizing rules. It's about understanding logic and patterns. Keep practicing these structures, and soon they'll become automatic.
Next video, we're tackling another huge mistake. Make versus do. You don't want to miss it. We'll see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. Peace.
Bye, guys. See you soon.